Hello YouTube, this is a video to show the features of an Emmert pattern maker's vise. This vise is approximately 100 years old, more or less. It came out of a pattern shop that was in Bridgeport, Connecticut, USA, and it actually operates pretty well, and I'll try to show you a few of the features that it has here. It has this right here, which causes it to angle the vise on a bevel for triangular pieces. I suppose it would be in there. And it has 4 of these. I guess they're called dogs. And I'm assuming there would have been some on the workbench itself at one point. This vise swivels in many different directions. It has what I would call a metal vise with removable jaws, replaceable on the one end, and the other end is just strictly a wood type setup. It has these look like keyhole type setup, so you could maybe notch out a keyhole. It also has this function right here. I could show you here in a second. Now, I don't have the mounting bolts countersunk, so it won't swivel all the way on this. At least not when it's in this position. But as you can see, this vise opens up to a ridiculous amount of length. Almost no vise that I've seen has this level of opening. I don't know what the clamping ability would be on something that's open this far. But let's have our ruler here. It shows over 14 inches. I don't think it would clamp very well at that type of that large of an item, but perhaps a box that's being put together, something that's not too heavy, because the more weight you put on this, the more likely it would be for this workbench to flop over. And this is essentially a wood vise. A machinist vise would never have this amount of jaw capacity or opening ability. Not sure how well this is going to turn up on the video, but right here, the part that would have said Emmert isn't there anymore. I don't know if it wasn't cast. It looks like it was probably removed. It just says Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, USA patented, and then K1, K14. I know those markings probably indicate possibly when it was cast, maybe 1914. I'm not sure, but that would make sense. If anyone has any other ideas about what this could be used for that I haven't mentioned, please feel free to comment and let me know. Thank you.